Hello, hello, hello! Welcome to Algebra Prep Academy, the channel for your algebra, geometry, and calculus needs. The lesson for today is the quadratic formula!
The quadratic formula is a formula that is used to find the zeros of a quadratic function. A quadratic equation is an equation written as ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. This is the general form of a quadratic equation. To find where the quadratic equation equals zeros, you will use the formula x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a.
Let's try out some problems using the quadratic formula. Our first problem is x squared plus 3x minus 10 equals 0, where a equals 1, b equals 3, and c equals negative 10. Now plug the values into the quadratic formula. X equals negative 3 plus or minus square root 3 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 10 over 2 times 1. Finally, solve the equation. X squared plus 3x minus 10 equals 0 when x equals 2 and x equals negative 5.
Problems such as the one demonstrated in example 1 are simpler quadratic equations that can be solved using factoring. So now let's solve a quadratic equation that is not as easily factored. For our example, we will find the zeros of the quadratic equation 5x squared plus 9x plus 4 equals 0. First, check if the equation follows the general formula of a quadratic equation in order to use the quadratic formula. The equation 5x squared plus 9x plus 4 equals 0 follows the general form where a equals 5, b equals 9, and c equals 4. Now, plug it into the equation.
5x squared plus 9x plus 4 equals 0 when x equals negative 4/5 and x equals negative 1.
Let's recap on our lesson. To use the quadratic formula to find the zeros of a quadratic equation, the equation must follow the general form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. If the quadratic equation is in the general form, you can plug it in the quadratic formula x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. After you plug it in the formula, you solve the equation and find which x values equal 0.
Class dismissed. Where are your teachers? Sandy.
Pablo.
Jada.
And T-Lop.
Hopefully this video helped you learn how to use the quadratic formula.
If so, like the video and subscribe to our channel.
For more help, check out some of our other videos on Algebra Prep Academy's YouTube channel.